This is a machete called àdá. But this, what is this one? Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ. Àdá, àdá. The word dá means to break or split. Àdá is then that which is used to break or to split, the machete. It can also simply mean that which is used to cut. Now there is a popular saying in Yoruba land which is wá wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀ fi ṣàdá. I have already shown you what àdá is, ṣùgbọ́n wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀ kí nìyẹn? Eléyìí là ń pè ní wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀. Have you heard of ọ̀já àgbá? One of these days we shall try to discuss that in detail, but because I don't want this video to be too long, àgbá is a cask, right? A barrel. And what we call the ọ̀já is the flat metal that we use to bind it. The ọ̀já àgbá encircles the àgbá bí ìgbà tí obìnrin bá gbàjá. Tá a bá ti wá lo àgbá ọ̀hún fún tá a fẹ́ lò fún tán, a wá tú irin, the flat metal tá a fi ṣe ọ̀já fún, a wá tú kúrò lára rẹ̀. Irin yìí tá a bá fẹ́ gé nǹkan bóyá bí koríko àbí nǹkan mìíràn tá a rò pé kò yẹ ká ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa tún máa mú àdá wá fún, a wá lo irin yìí, a so nǹkan mọ́ nídìí ká ba lè rí gbá mú, a wá fi ṣe iṣẹ́ tádà lè ṣe. A ti fi wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀ ṣàdá nìyẹn. The wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀ is an improvised machete. Ṣé rí wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀ tẹ́ ń wò yìí? Ó dùn láti sán gangan. Wàláì. Yóò kàn máa lẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ báyìí, ẹ kàn máa fi gbá báyìí. Yóò máa gé, yóò máa fẹ́ àwọn koríko yẹn lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lọ sí àwọn ilé ìwé tó yẹ pé ẹ̀ sánko níbẹ̀, ní tí mo sọ ní yé yín. So let's say I find myself in the bush without an àdá and I need an àdá. What do I do? Do I just remain there and bitch about my situation? No, I find other ways. Màá wá wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀ fi ṣàdá, mi ò ní yé kùn káàkiri ilẹ̀. What this saying is teaching is that there are always other ways to do something. There must be another method. If the standard one fails, well then, I improvise. Be creative enough to always be ready to improvise. Our ancestors gave us that saying to teach us wisdom because they know that life will be very hard for that person who doesn't know how to improvise. If you are the type who must always have the right tools before you can do what you have to do, then indeed life will be very hard for you. Because the nature of life is such that you are always put in situations to improvise, to be creative. A wise man once said, when the desirable is not available, you use the available till the desirable becomes available. Even in Yoruba spirituality, being improvisational is not only allowed but also encouraged. We say that "Bá ò rí àdán, á fò bẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bọ." I give you another instance. Our ancestors used emu to pour libation, but there were times when emu was not available in abundance, or not available at all, or available but expensive. So they said, "Ǹjẹ́ a ò ní wá wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀ fi ṣàdá báyìí?" And when they came in contact with schnapps, they found in it a worthy substitute. Since that day, we have been using schnapps for our prayers. Schnapps is not inferior to palm wine. It is only another way of doing the same thing, especially when it is eagle aromatic schnapps. This isn't just a substitute, not just another drink in the market. This is ọtí ìwúre, the authentic traditional prayer drink. Wàá ṣeré.